And over 100 Palestinians have been injured in overnight clashes with Israeli police. 20 police officers have been injured. 3 of them have been rushed to hospitals. Now, clashes broke out between Palestinians and Israeli police amid a dispute over evening gatherings at Damascus Gate after iftar. A video circulating on social media shows a Palestinian slapping an ultra-Orthodox Jewish man. Israelis are protesting against this incident. Some are calling for tougher police action. Nightly violent clashes between Palestinians and Israelis in Jerusalem during Ramzan have laid bare simmering tensions. Palestinians say police have tried to prevent them from holding usual Ramzan evening gatherings outside the gate, which is a historic landmark. Israeli police resorted to stun grenades and sprayed foul-smelling water to disperse the Palestinians, who in turn used fireworks to protect themselves. Israeli police say they are trying to ensure that tens of thousands of Muslim worshippers have safe access to the main Islamic prayer site in the sanctuary.
Yalla, go, man!